Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to make a hover effect on a card or a button just like this. So it is very simple and short. So let's go to our VS Code so we can start it. So guys, first of all we have to set up our HTML code. So it is a baseline. After that we will go through CSS. So we need a div, simple a div. In a div we have to create a class. Which should we name it like main, because it is a main class. Okay, sorry to say that I have created the class in closing tag. I will always create a class in opening tag. Sorry for this guys. Okay, we have a class name main. After that we create two more divs in it, so it will make us the first one. We should create what happening today. Okay, first of all we have to create a class and the class name should be top, and in it we need a h1 tag, and we have to close the div. Here you guys, we have to close it. In it what should we write? We should write it loading. Okay, and in other div just like that we need a class. You should name it front, and in it we write it loading. After that we highlighted I think so tutorials. Okay, no, okay, we make a mistake. I did not create any h1, sorry for that. h1 tag, I need you, just come inside it. Yes, I need this. So guys, for HTML purpose, or in HTML we have done all our work. So let's go ahead to our CSS. In CSS we have to first of all establish our body tag. In body, as you know, margin and padding should be margin 0, padding should also be 0, and I think we should set up a background color. It should be I think so aqua. That's all. After that we need to manipulate main. What I have writing now, main. In main we should change something just like text alignment, and it should be center. And after that we need to set width and height, so when we started it cannot be manipulated by other factors. 40 pixel, and height should be I think so 200 pixel is enough. After that we should set our position, which should be absolute, we can't change it. And top left rule, as I mentioned earlier, top should be 0 and left also should be 0. Okay, that I think so we should position our absolute. After that we should I think so top should be 50%. 0 will not take any effect, and 50%. Right now it is in a center. Okay, element, as you know, always you set it to transform and then translate, which is minus 50 percent comma minus 50%, so it can set it into center. After that we have to set our box shadow, and in a box shadow you need 0, okay, sorry, 0 space 3 pixel space 3 pixel, so it can automatically set shadow on 3 sides. Or I should set it to RGBA, which can also set color, and I set it always, as you know, black, so 0 0 0 and 0 will represent black color. And alpha should be what is the opacity level. The opacity level is 0.3 is enough for us. So after that we should go to our new command line, main, to say that dot main dot top, and also we need dot I think so dot main dot front. Should I not write it front? Okay, that's it. What I missed now? Okay, I did not write here main. Okay, now it is good to go. In it, guys, start with width. As you know, width is mostly 100%, and height should also be 100%, because I have to show you something amazing. Width and height should be 100%, and after that we should set our position, which is absolute, so it can merge in it. And after that we should set our top 0, left should also be 0, that is good for us because we don't want to change its position. And transform style should be, I think so, transform style should be 3D. And after that transition, and the transition should be, I think so, 0.4 second is enough for us, but it should be ease in and out, so yeah, look better. Okay, now we have to hide something, which is back face visibility. And what is back face visibility? Hidden, so it cannot see like that. After that we have to set some perspective, which is after all 1000 pixels, so it can hide it. Okay, we are done for this. Now we go for our dot main dot top. Easy to maintain, easy to control. Just now set our background color, and the background color should be yellow. Okay, and after that we should set our font color, and the font color would be, I think so, in yellow, white, azure. After that we have to transform, and transform we need to rotate it, so it would be rotate on x-axis or y-axis. I think so it will rotate on x-axis with the angle of kindly x-axis, and with the angle of obviously 90 degree. That's it. And after that we have to set translate, and in translate we have to set 50%, and the effect will start when I will go in hover effect. Okay, so don't worry, 50. After 50 we need transform origin. It is a command, and it should be top or I think so center would be better. Yes. And the last is dot main space dot front should also look like same. I think so same commands, all of them same, just little bit different. So but for your convenience I would write it down so it cannot create confusion. Background should be brown, and color should be white. After that, transform origin and transform origin should be bottom, center, and one command we left it transform. And in a transform command we have to rotate it on x-axis, and the angle would be 0 degree because we don't want to change his angle 0 degree. After 0 degree effect, the transition to 0 degree translate y-axis and it should be 0. Okay, I have to set here y. I just not remember that. Okay, I think so all the changes have been done. Now we go to our final thing, which is dot main hover effect, which is implemented on dot top. And what would be the hover effect? Transform, kindly transform, rotate x-axis 0 degree with the transition effect of rotate x-axis 0 degree. And what would happen? Translate y-axis with the 0 effect. Okay, let's see what happened. Nothing. Okay, I think so we have to set the other one also so it can take effect. Main hover dot front, same command line, so I have to copy it down. Why would I write it if I have already just paste it? And we need little bit changes here, so it can change to 90 degree when we hover it, and the transition effect should be 50%, so it can totally rotate it. Now control S, save it. Let's see. Okay, what would we have to change? I think so we have to change his color. It should be green. Why don't you change the color? Okay, the background color should be yellow. Okay, control C, sorry to say that. Okay. The effect would not take place on loading. Why? Okay, top. As you can see, they will set it Azure. And it should be, I think so, yellow. Okay, control S. I think so we should open in our browser. Okay, the effect is working correctly. All we need is some changes. Where I put it in RGB, oh shit. Why would I put it in RGB? Yellow, simple yellow, or yellow and black. That's all. Control S, refresh, black and yellow. Okay, now where would I set the aqua? Okay, it is overriding it, that's why I set it to white. So you can change according to your need. Have a good day.